Welcome to this video on mitochondria and their effect on organism aging. We will explore how the accumulation of mitochondrial defects is a key factor in the aging process and the development of age-related diseases. We will discuss the link between mitochondrial health and the life expectancy of the organism. In this introduction, we establish that cells are the basic units of life, and organelles are where important functions occur. Mitochondria are the quote, power plants of the cell. The objective of this video is to understand the role of mitochondria in aging. Let's review the structure of the mitochondria. They have a double membrane, external and internal. Mitochondrial cristae, or cristae, increase the surface area. The matrix contains Krebs cycle enzymes, mtDNA, and ribosomes. The intermembrane space is where proton collection occurs. Mitochondria have several key functions. They produce ATP through cellular respiration and are involved in the metabolism of fatty acids and amino acids. They also manage apoptosis, or programmed cell death, and thermogenesis, which is the release of heat in brown adipose tissue. Mitochondrial DNA, or mtDNA, is circular and small. It is inherited exclusively from the mother and codes for genes necessary for energy production. Mutations in mtDNA occur faster than in nuclear DNA, and this is evidence for the endosymbiotic theory. Mutations and defects in the mitochondria can lead to the production of reactive oxygen species, or ROS, and defects in mtDNA and mitochondrial proteins. These issues cause a decrease in mitochondrial efficiency. Consequences for the cell include less energy and metabolic problems. The image illustrates how defects in mtDNA and mitochondrial proteins, along with ROS production, decrease mitochondrial efficiency. This results in less energy for the cell and subsequent metabolic issues. Mitochondria and aging are closely linked. The accumulation of mitochondrial defects leads to lower efficiency in cells and tissues. This impacts the aging process and the development of age-related diseases, highlighting the vital link between mitochondrial health and the organism's longevity. This diagram summarizes the relationship between mitochondria, energy, and aging. It covers the structure, functions, mtDNA, and the link between mitochondrial defects and the aging process. A key difference between nuclear DNA and mitochondrial DNA, or mtDNA, is their control. Nuclear DNA controls all aspects of the cell, while mtDNA primarily governs energy production and is inherited only maternally. This slide highlights differences in location, size, copies, genes, inheritance, mutation rates, and relation to endosymbionts. The key takeaway here is that mtDNA mutates much faster than nuclear DNA, which contributes to aging and mitochondrial diseases. We compare the mutation rate, primary causes, consequences, and evaluation methods for both types of DNA. We explore two interpretations of DNA mutation speed. The scientific evolutionary perspective views mutations as a normal part of genetic change, with mtDNA mutating 10 to 20 times faster. The creationist/anti-evolutionary perspective argues that mutations are too fast or mostly detrimental, emphasizing genetic trait conservation. Continuing with the interpretations of mutation speed, the scientific view explains that mutations and natural selection drive species evolution, with ROS and other factors explaining the speed. The anti-evolutionary view argues that mutations cannot create new functional traits. This video was created by Dr. Maria Luisa Mariño Martinez, a gynecologist and specialist in gynecology and obstetrics practicing in Seville, Spain. Her specialties include gynecological surgery, endocrinology, geriatrics, and various diagnostic and treatment procedures.